What if I told you there's an animal that can regrow its brain? Not just limbs, not just a tail. I'm talking heart, spine, even parts of its brain. Sounds impossible, right? But you are about to meet one of nature's strangest miracles. It's called the axolotl, and it doesn't just survive injury, it rewinds evolution. Cut off a leg, it grows a new one. Damage its heart, repaired. Slice into its spinal cord, fully functional again in weeks. But here's the part that breaks scientific logic. Axolotls don't scar. No scar tissue, just perfect original parts like it never happened. And guess what? They can do this over and over, even into adulthood. Most animals lose this ability early in life, including humans. But axolotls, they never stop. Half salamander, half eternal mystery. They're stuck in a state called neoteny. Basically, they never grow up. They stay young. And somehow, that's the secret. Now here's where it gets crazy. Scientists are studying axolotls to try and copy their regeneration. Imagine a future where you could regrow damaged organs, even your spine. So next time you hear someone say, "You only live once," just remember, unless you're an axolotl with a backup plan for every part of your body.